Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass an Azure certification. First, identify your career aspirations to select the most suitable Azure certification path. There are over 15 role-based and specialty certifications available. Next, thoroughly review the official exam objectives to understand the required skills. Dedicate consistent study time, perhaps 2 to 3 hours daily, to build a strong foundation. Finally, become familiar with the exam format, including multiple choice, drag and drop, and case study questions, to manage your time effectively during the test. To study effectively, leverage the extensive free resources on Microsoft Learn, which offers hundreds of modules. Supplement this with video courses from platforms like Pluralsight or Udemy for diverse perspectives and practical demonstrations. Actively participate in online communities, such as Reddit's Azure groups, to clarify doubts and learn from others' experiences. Consider creating flashcards for critical concepts and services, which can significantly aid in memorization and quick recall before the exam. This multifaceted approach ensures comprehensive understanding. Hands-on experience is crucial for success. Sign up for a free Azure account, which typically provides $200 in credit for 30 days, to explore services without cost. Actively complete hands-on labs and practice scenarios that align with your exam objectives. Building small projects, like deploying a web application or setting up a virtual network, will deepen your understanding. Furthermore, intentionally troubleshoot common issues you encounter. This develops critical problem-solving skills, essential for real-world scenarios and the certification exam. As you approach the exam, take several full-length practice tests to simulate the real experience and pinpoint areas needing more study. Thoroughly review every incorrect answer, understanding why it was wrong to reinforce your knowledge. On exam day, prioritize a good night's sleep and a nutritious meal to ensure you are well-rested and focused. During the exam, read each question at least twice, paying close attention to keywords, and manage your time effectively to answer all questions confidently. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.